You are going to love the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.